Izak Maritz. I'm the planning manager for the Southern African region, which includes Namibia, Botswana and Zambia. We started our DDMRP journey towards the end of 2016. We started with a very basic Excel model, which we developed later on to also include all ranges of processes, activities, which includes raw materials, finished goods, distribution. Right from the start, we had good management support. We believed in the DDMRP. What makes it very valuable for us is that it's not only a planning tool, it also helps you on the execution side. It's very visible. It helps you to share the plan with everybody to make sure everybody is on the same page.